Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So in today's video, we're going to be checking out another case for the Google Pixel 6 Pro. And in today's video, I have the Urban Armor Gear Scout Series case for the Pixel 6 Pro. So you can call them UAG or Urban Armor Gear, that's their name. And this is their Scout Series. I haven't really tested out too many UAG cases, but this is going to be one of them. And let's go ahead and check this out. So we have a really nice package right here. We have this clear front palette right here where we can see the case. We have a nice sticker. It says approved, drop tested, and then dependable protection, Scout Series for the Google Pixel 6 Pro, made for Google Pixel. Plus, it just says UAG Urban Armor Gear right there. So on the back, we also have a nice image right here. It shows what the case looks like on the phone. Soft impact resistant core, oversized tactile buttons, feather light construction. So, and we also get a warranty. I don't really know why it would have a warranty with the case, but I guess you do. And it says built to go further. So let's go ahead and open this up. We're able to just pull it out. So it's easy as that. We can take the case out like so, and boom, that's about it. So there's nothing else inside of this box. Let's go ahead and plop this to the side. And here we have our case. So I believe they have a couple colors. I will actually leave a link down below for this case, but I did get the black one and it has a nice finish overall. So it has a weird design actually. I'm not really sure if you can see that, but it's kind of curved on the back. So this portion is a little higher than the sides right here. And I guess that's so you can hold it easier and it kind of takes the shape of your hand when you're actually holding the phone, since this portion is a little higher when you're holding this case. So let's go ahead and plop the phone on real quick. Right here, Pixel 6 Pro. Just goes on as easy as that. So it's really easy to plop on, and here we have it on our phone. So first up, I want to talk about the camera protection on this case, as the camera is one of the biggest pieces on this phone. It's a huge, nice little glass piece right here with a couple cameras inside of it, and we get some decent protection. So it has a nice little lip over the camera bump and you're able to protect it perfectly. Plus it actually covers these sides as well. So some of the cases that I've actually tried out, and I actually tried out Google's case as well, they actually leave this portion open, which I don't really prefer, especially with a camera this big. This doesn't take away from the functionality and it gives you the extra protection with the sides raised up, as you can see right here, and it just looks really nice overall on the back. So your camera is definitely going to be protected. It's not, maybe it doesn't have as high of a lip as maybe some other brands, but it's still pretty decent. The back, it has this nice matte texture in the middle part. It's a two-piece case, and then the sides, it's a little rougher than the middle portion right here. Plus we get a nice little UAG logo. So nothing much, not a lot of branding, which I really love from case brands. I really love speaking for that, and this one seems like it's doing a good job. So our front display, as you guys know, the Pixel 6 Pro does have a curved display, an edge display, and because of that, you usually can't really get really nice protection from the sides, and that's the same case right here. So it goes up all the way to the border of the display, but it can't go any further or else it would be intruding into the display and you wouldn't be able to use that portion. It's kind of annoying. I do really like the design of edge displays. I really like how they look, but having a flat display is just better overall in protection wise, and there's some other reasons for that. So I'm not going to be looking at the sides too much because that is an issue with a lot of cases for this phone. Any phone with an edge display usually is harder to protect, but on the front, on the top and bottom right here, we have a nice little raised lip, so it's definitely going above the display. As you can see, I don't have a screen protector on here currently, so I can't really compare it. And even if I did, I usually would. For an edge display, you usually go for the plastic ones, and that will still go above the plastic one as well. So if you do manage to drop it front facing like this, then your phone should be perfectly fine unless you hit a rock or a chip and you don't have it's not a smooth ground. So other than that, it feels pretty nice in the hand. It's really grippy, especially with these rougher matte sides right here. And again, it feels pretty nice in the hand. So let's go ahead and check out our cutouts real quick. So our charging port cutout right there, also our speaker grill cutout right here. They are all looking very nice and you're able to access them easily. It's a pretty large cutout for the charging port, so you can actually use some third-party chargers as well. I usually don't use too many third-party chargers other than maybe Anchor, which I really love. But other than that, you shouldn't really have an issue with charging. our buttons. So let's go to move on to our buttons. The buttons are a pretty important part in a case personally, and the main reason for that is because some of the case brands, they make it pretty hard to click the buttons and it's really annoying. And for this one, let's go ahead and test it real quick. So I'm already noticing that this material they used on this 2-part case for the sides where you grip, it is not feeling really nice. So the buttons are definitely a lot harder to press. As you can see, I'm applying more force and it's kind of annoying, especially with a big phone like this. It would be nice to just be able to click your buttons really easily. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the case off just to see how much of a difference there is. It's a lot easier without the case. So that's gonna lose some points by me. I don't really love that. I really like when case brands manage to figure it out. I've used a lot of speaking cases and those are pretty good and nice, but this one right here is not feeling the best. So this might only be with this one. I haven't tried out any of their other cases, but so far with this case, the material they used on the side rail, it gives you some really great grip, but buttons wise, it's kind of annoying. You have to add some extra tension and force to it, which I personally don't really enjoy. So other than that, you're getting pretty decent protection again. It's covering basically all the parts that you need to cover: the front display, the camera, and again, as I said, the edges are pretty hard to actually protect, so I really can't blame any case company for that. But other than that, it's a pretty nice case overall. If the buttons won't annoy you, it has a nice little design, it looks very simple, and this case might be for you. So I will definitely leave a link down below for this case. And again, this wouldn't be my personal choice to use as a case for my Pixel 6 Pro, but if there are any of y'all that want to use this case, then there will be a link down below. So that'll basically wrap it up for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe so I can keep making more content for y'all, and have a great day.